When I don't feel like cooking, but still want something quick, easy, and delicious, I go with these air fried wings with the most delicious Old Bay garlic butter sauce. Yes, I know, it's so good. Less than 30 minutes, all done. Let's get into it. All right, guys, to begin, I'm going to pat dry my wings. I have about a little bit under 2.5 pounds of chicken wings. Now, make sure you really pat these dry. That's how you're gonna get that nice, crunchy, crispy texture. If it's wet, it's not gonna happen. Now we're going to drizzle a little bit of oil. Mix it all together, just like so. And now we're going in with our seasoning. So for the seasoning, I'm going pretty light. I'm using a little bit of the Cajun Crush seasoning from Island Vibe, a little bit of onion and garlic powder, a little bit of ground black peppers with some salt, okay? Just like so. Mix it up. And then we're going to add in some cornstarch. That's another ingredient that's gonna help it nice and crunchy, okay? Add that in there. Mix it all together. Now you can fry these if you want, but we're going to air fry it. Perfect. Don't need too much. And just like this, you're ready to air fry it. All right, we're going to be using our Typher Dome air fryer. The link will be below if you want to, check it out. So I'm going to add the wings right in. Just add them right in. And now make sure not to put them too close to each other. That way they can get nice and crispy, okay? I like this air fryer because, as you can see, it's pretty large, very spacious. Just like so. Perfect. Now we're going to put the wings right in, push it in. We're going to use our wing preset. It is on 380 for about 14 minutes. Then we'll flip it, let it go for another 14 minutes, okay? Start. All right, guys, let's make the sauce. This is a seafood boil sauce, like I said, but let me tell you, it's so good with wings. Okay, I'm going to add 1 stick of unsalted butter. You don't want to make it salty. Next, we're going in with some chopped onions. Okay, dice them very small. And also we're going in with some garlic, okay? It's a garlic Old Bay sauce. Allow that to fry for a little bit. Once you start smelling it, you can add in your seasoning. A quick stir. Now for the seasoning, I know you have a lot of questions. It will be in the comments. So I'm using my Island Vibe Cajun seasoning, Island Vibe Golden Bay seasoning, a little bit of chili powder, paprika, parsley, ground black pepper, all of that good stuff in there. And also I'm adding some hot sauce. I have some pepper flakes in here as well. I like it, spicy. Oh, it smells so good. First of all, let's add some lemon juice. Let's turn that down. It's so hot. Ooh. Yes, to give it that citrusy flavor. And now I like to dilute the sauce with a little bit of chicken broth. Very lightly, just like so. Let it simmer for about 1 minute and it should be ready to go. We're going to let it simmer for about a minute. I just tasted it. It tastes so good, you guys. And we are ready to toss the wings in here. So good. All right, guys, the wings are done and they look so good. I'm going to transfer them to this bowl here. As y'all can hear, crispy, right? Beautiful, crispy wings. Ooh. Now you're going to grab your sauce and we're going to pour that beautiful, beautiful, delicious sauce. Can y'all even see what's going on here? And now we're gonna give it a nice toss. Can y'all see what's going on here? Come on, get into it. Saucy, delicious wings. Now let's plate it. All right, guys, let's try these wings. They look good. They smell good. My mouth is watering. Let's get it to it. Yes, clean. Let's give it a try. Mm. Mm, 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 mm. I have no words. Absolutely, I have no words. These are fire, and make sure you see it first here. Absolutely a must try. Randomly, I said, okay, let's make some seafood boil wings. And I'm like, there's no seafood. Let's call it Old Bay garlic butter Old Bay wings. When I tell you these are fire, you have to make it. You have to try it. Let me know down below if you're going to try it. And also don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. If you find it helpful, please give it a thumbs up so I can come up with these genius ideas for you guys, okay? And subscribe if you're new here. I would love for you to be part of the family. Hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on videos like this. Thank you for watching. I appreciate every single one of you guys. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye. I'm about to eat.